Today we are diving deep into the latest flagship from Tecno Mobile, the Tecno Camon 30 Pro. With its cutting-edge features and stunning design, this smartphone is set to revolutionize the way you experience mobile technology. Before we start, just take a second and subscribe to my channel, and if you have already subscribed, thank you for your support and don't forget to like this video. Now let's kick things off with the display. The Tecno Camon 30 Pro boasts of a vibrant 6.78-inch AMOLED display with an impressive 144Hz refresh rate. Whether you are gaming, streaming your favorite content, or simply browsing the web, every details come to life with stunning clarity and smoothness. Powered by Android 14 with Tecno owns iOS 14, this device offers a seamless user experience with enhanced customization options and improved performance. Under the hood, it packs a powerful MediaTek Dimensity 8200 Ultimate chipset, ensuring smooth multitasking and lightning fast app launches. Now, let's talk about photography. The Tecno Camon 30 Pro features a versatile triple camera setup including a 50 megapixel wide-angle lens, a 50 megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. Whether you are capturing breathtaking landscapes or stunning portraits, every shot is sure to impress. But what about selfies? With its 50 megapixel front-facing camera, you can snap stunning self-portraits with ease, whether you are taking a solo shots or a group selfies. The Tecno Camon 30 ensures that you always look your way best. When it comes to performance, the Tecno Camon 30 Pro doesn't disappoint. With up to 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of internal storage, you'll have plenty of space for all your apps, games, and media file. Plus, with support of 5G connectivity, you can enjoy blazing fast download and stream speeds wherever you go. And let's not forget about audio with stereo speakers and 24 bits high-res audio support. The Tecno Camon 30 Pro delivers an immersive audio experience that's second to none. Whether you are watching movies, listening to music, or gaming, you'll feel like you are right in the middle of the action. Connectivity and communication support. The handset supports GSM, HSPA, LTE, and 5G network, which allows you to enjoy fast and reliable internet speeds and voice calls. It also supports Wi-Fi, which enables you to connect to wireless networks and access to the internet. It also has Bluetooth, which allows you to pair your device with other Bluetooth-enabled device and share data or use wireless accessories. It also has NFC, which enables you to make contactless payment or transfer data by tapping your phone with another NFC enabled device. It also has a GPS, which provides you with accurate location and navigation services. It also has an infrared port, which lets you control compatible devices with your phone as a remote. Last but not least, it has a USB Type-C 2.0, which supports charging, data transfer, and OTG functions. Lastly, let's talk about the design and battery life. The Tecno Camon 30 Pro features a sleek and stylish design with a glass front and back, or an eco leather option for those who prefer a more sustainable choice. Plus, with a massive 5000 mAh battery and 70 watts wired charging, you can stay connected and powered all day long. The phone also has a power management system that optimizes the battery performance and extends its lifespan with a variable refresh rate. It also has a power saving mode that can extend the battery life by reducing the performance and brightness of the phone. So there you have it, folks. The Tecno Camon 30 Pro with its stunning display, powerful performance, and advanced camera capabilities. It is the ultimate smartphone for the tech enthusiasts and content creators alike. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tech reviews and updates. See you in my next video. Bye.